My name's Tia Jacobson, and I'm here to tell you that Earth is doomed. Now by this, I of course only mean that humankind cannot be sustained here on Earth for forever, mostly because that is unrealistic in terms of science, but also because we have serious emerging problems here on Earth. The first being climate change. Now this is due to an increased buildup of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, also known as global warming. Now, the greenhouse effect is good because it helps regulate the atmosphere and keeping out UV radiation, but greenhouse gases are bad because they are building up polluted toxins such as methane, carbon dioxide, and other pollutants, mostly due to human activities. Additionally, we know that these events lead to rising sea levels, which will then lead to a loss of land, which will not be beneficial to our ever-growing population. We also know that our star, the sun, will eventually die, as all stars do, and we've known this information for some time, but the real news I have to share is that there is still hope for humanity. My team of researchers have discovered that a potentially habitable planet, Kepler 62f, is located 1,200 light years from Earth in the direction of the Lyra constellation. Now, this planet is our last hope for humanity. As I said, it's our last chance of survival. So here's Caden Kittleson to tell you a bit more about Kepler 62f and our hope for sustaining life in the future.
Kepler 62f is a planet 2.5 times larger than our own and has a diameter 40% larger than our Earth. Its sun is smaller and dimmer than our own, but will live 2 to 4 times as long. This is important to know because we can be sure that the sun will last for a long time and will be worth us going to the planet. There is no proof of life found on the planet at this moment, but there's no real way of telling. As for abiotic factors, it seems to be covered in water, and depending on the CO2 levels, it may or may not be frozen, but that's a chance we might have to take, as Earth is deteriorating very fast. The gravity is gentle on the planet, and people would have no problem walking around. It also seems to be a rocky land surface, which a solid surface is key to being able to build and construct a civilization. I can definitely see humans living on Kepler 62f in the near future.
Us humans want and need another chance to redeem ourselves from our horrible air and water pollution of our home planet, Earth. Kepler 62f is our chance. Kepler 62f will offer us more space compared to Earth. Although smaller in size, its sun will allow us to live on past the death of our current star, the sun. We're not sure of the life, if any, on our new home planet, but we have hope. We will prepare ourselves for the 20-year journey to our new planet and the new life we will have on our new home. We are almost positive the planet is home to lots of water. This is good. We would all feel relaxed due to the similarity in gravity on our current and new home planet. Although the sign of water on our new home planet is awesome, it's even better that we will most likely find some balance of water and rocky surfaces, which will give us a place to build up our civilization again. Although nothing can be sure, our team has all the hope in the world that this will be the perfect place for our new home. Once the time for us to leave our current home becomes urgent, my team and I will be ready and prepared. We have already began research and further creation of new technology to ensure safe travels and safe living in the future. We will be testing our technology in areas similar to that of our new home. Our trip to our new home will also be 20 years, which gives us another 20 years to continue research. Don't worry about a miserable 20-year ride to our new home. We will keep you occupied and safe. The opportunity for education will continue on our trip, along with community activities for your children. If you'd like, you can continue work or take up a new hobby. We want nothing but normalcy as we move to our new home planet. Although, along with this, your safety is our #1 priority. Please trust in us when we tell you the time is urgent to leave Earth, that we'll work on the best technology to keep you safe and comfortable, and that we want your life to continue. Come with us as we leave Earth and flee to what we will call our new home planet. Trust us, we've got your back and life in our hands, and we would never want to mess that up.